Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix app preferences not showing on Snapchat. So basically what app preferences is basically used for turning your Snapchat from light mode to dark mode. Let me show you how you guys can do it. Just click on your profile icon over here and then click on this gear icon. Once you click on this gear icon, scroll down until you see app preferences. Once you click on app preferences, you can choose whichever you want, dark mode or light mode. If you click on dark mode like this, the Snapchat will be turned to dark mode. So yeah, that's basically what app preference is. So the first reason why you do not have this setting app preferences could be because if you are using an outdated version of Snapchat. So basically by that I mean you need to update your Snapchat. So to update your Snapchat, go to your app store, and on your app store be sure to check if your Snapchat is up to date. And if your Snapchat is up to date and you're still facing this problem, then what you can do is delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again. After you delete a Snapchat and reinstall it again, like if it was caused by some kind of corrupted file, then it would be fixed and you will see this app preferences. But if you still do not see this app preferences, then it could be Snapchat's problem, not even your. If Snapchat is like updating their server or like updating their app and like their new setting layout is being tested, so basically this thing could happen to you. So you need to wait for some time until Snapchat finishes their update, or if their servers are offline, you need to wait until their servers are online again. After that, your app preferences should be back on your phone and you should be able to use it. And yeah, remember, if you're using Android, then sorry, you guys would not have any app preferences because Snapchat has not released app preferences setting for Android user. I don't know why. This facility is only available for iPhone user. So if you're an Android user, I'm sorry, but you guys cannot have turn your Snapchat into dark mode. You guys only have the default white mode on. So yeah, I'm sorry for that, guys. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys know how you guys can get dark mode on your Android Snapchat, then comment down below. It can help other viewers as well. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.